new moisturizer. It's been a lifesaver for me. Another moisturizer. I've tried so many. Trust me on this one. It's different. It's packed with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Super effective, super gentle. Introducing Get Unready With Me Moisturizer. Unlock your skin's natural radiance.
Three weeks later.
Huge difference. My skin feels so smoother now and the redness has gone down. Told you, GUWM is a game changer. Get Unready With Me Moisturizer for skin that shines from within. Find it at any drugstore.